we're taking a look at moving straight ahead, investigation 2.3. We're talking about two t-shirt companies, C Mighty and C No Shrink. That's cost. I'm sorry, Mighty T and No Shrink T-shirt company, and they both have different ways of calculating how much it costs to buy t-shirts from them. The Mighty T-shirt company charges $45 for the setup of the screens and the art and all that stuff, but they only charge $1 for every t-shirt that you buy. Whereas No Shrink, they don't have an upfront cost for the artwork, but they do have a larger cost per t-shirt, $4.50. So for 12 shirts, here's what we're going to do. So for the Mighty T-shirt company, for 12 shirts, and also 20 shirts, $12 for the extra shirts plus 49, well that's like 50, right? So that's $61. And for 20 shirts, because that's what it tells us over here as well, well, we have 20 plus 49, that's 69. All right. So then for the No Shrink T-shirt company, I'm going to pull up my calculator here. Why? Because calculators are great. And so for 12 shirts, so we have 12 shirts, and we're going to multiply it by 4.5, and we get 54. All right. And then finally, if we have 20 shirts, so multiply 20 times 4.5, and we should get 90, right? Now, of course, I type what I say, right? 20 times 4.5, and we get 90. All right. Now, the next question is a little more interesting. How many shirts can we buy for 20 bucks? So that's a cost, right? That's a C value, a cost. So we know $120 is equal to 49 plus 1N. Likewise, that's $120 is equal to 4.5N. So let's deal with this one first. So I'm multiplying N by 4.5, and I'm getting 120. Well, what's the opposite of multiplying by 4.5? That's right, dividing by 4.5. So 120 divided by 4.5. So I can buy 26 shirts. So I divide by 4.5, divide by 4.5. And remember, I will always show division in this case with a fraction bar. And so I'll get 26.7 shirts. It's equal to N. I mean, crop tops still count as full shirts, right? So you can't buy 0.7 of a shirt. So really, you can buy 26 shirts. On the other side here, we have, well, some number plus 49 is equal to 120. So that's going to be 120 minus 49. And so I can buy 71 shirts. Now that is a big difference. If I'm buying a lot of shirts, I'm buying from my T-shirt company. All right, so then the next big question is, for what costs are the two companies the same? And there are a couple ways we can do this. The first way is, well, I can make a table and a graph. Let's do that. So here we go, we have a graph. And the grids, unfortunately, are not visible. But if I take this point of intersection is where the two T-shirt companies have the same cost. So somewhere, over, it's probably like 12 to 14 shirts, but I can't see that exactly. So there's another way, right? So we can say, hey, I'll be with you guys in a second. 49 plus N is equal to 4.5N. All right, well, using our logic here, right, we can subtract N. So we get 49 is equal to 3.5N. Well, a number times 3.5 is 49. So let's go 49 divided by, right, because the opposite of multiplying is divided by. And let's see what we get. So divided by, so 49 divided by 3.5 is equal to 14. Oh, so exactly. So it is at 14 shirts. Oh, good. You guys got it? Is Avery?
I didn't see Avery out there.
Oh, so did you see over? Did you look over there?
No. I just came into the door.
Okay, cool. All right, so that's 14 shirts where the cost is the same. All right, so I will take a look at B. And actually, let's finish this up. Well, what is the cost of 14 shirts, right? Well, 14 times the 4.5, because that's going to be helpful to know, is $63. Oh, and that's exactly what we see here, $63. All right, so this point, maybe, is at 14, 63. All right, so check out the next video for solution for B.